Ona gutwika kurumirira kubwo gwa thirikari ya urumwe, atongoria aingi kiama-ini kia ODM makoretwo makiaria rumwe na thirikari maundu-ini matiganite na kuhimbiria mibango imwe kwa muhiano ngirimiti cia thirikari na kambuni kiumbe. Ica ikuhi uria ukoretwo ari mutongoria wa kiama giki Raila Odinga agitetera ngirimiti ya thirikari na kambuni ya Adani tabarira-ini itiganite. Utongoria wa kiama giki no unyitirire kirio mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
The end of the second liberation is not yet seen. The second liberation is still a journey. And some of the things that we have stood for all these years have been realized, like the new constitution. But the constitution is just a framework of vision, principles, laws, and commitments. The test of a constitution is when it changes the lives of the people in line with the principles, the laws, and the commitments. Thutha wa kwamukirwo kaunti-ini ya Kisumu, gavana wa kaunti-ino uria wamuritwo ta mutongoria wa kiama giki wa ihinda Anyang Nyong'o augite bururi wa Kenya nduri urarikia kwigwatira wiyathi kihinyo gwitukira gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010 na kiama giki no giguthie na mbere gutetera a Kenya hatari kwenyenyo.
We will move with the people and we will stand under the guidance of Raila Odinga, having left for us now Peter Anyang Nyong'o.
So we have the responsibility to continue the struggle while the party chairman, party leader is away, to make sure that we don't deviate in any way. We shall not deviate if we as leaders hang together and hold together. Masivyo, wale ambao wanajitolea muhanga kuhakikisha ya kwamba Wakenya watapata huduma ya kutosha. Kwa sababu viongozi ni viongozi kamili.
Mwikarigiti wa kiama giki Gladys Wanga uria nowe gavana wa Homa Bay nionanetie mwihoko na utongoria wa Anyang Nyong'o akihinyiriria amemba kiama-ini kia ODM mamunyite mbaru igana kwa igana.
We will support you. We will work with you. You are tried and tested. You are the original and the founding Secretary General of the ODM party. You know where this movement has come from. You know the challenges that we have gone through. You know our ideology inside out. We are not afraid to say that in your hands, this party will only grow to greater and greater heights.
Na riu itua ria Odinga ria kweherera uteti kwa ihinda niguo gwikirira kambeni cia githurano kia mwikarigiti kanju-ini ya urumwe wa Afrika mwaka ukite ukionekana ta gutigite ithenya inene ria utongoria kiama-ini kia ODM uteti-ini wa bururi. Wanga ugite kiama giki no nginya gikarugamia mundu wa kurirukia tigiti wa kiama giki githurano-ini kinene kia president mwaka-ini wa 2027.
In the coming election, we hope that our party will sweep seats, starting from MCAs, MPs, governors, senators, and we are not going to leave any seat, including the presidency of this country.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.